Hello everyone, welcome back to my Thailand series. Today again we are visiting my local market. Let's see how much we can spend there. Papaya salad, Som Tam.
They can speak Chinese.
See some.
ขอบคุณครับ
Kapun kham. Alright people, this is perfect place in Bangkok. It is very far from the city center. But right here is where you can see the real Thai culture. Let's go have a look. Oh, looks like the gas is over. Let's go fill up the tank first. $95. Full. Kapun cup. Now I visit my local market for my everyday essential. This market comes to life around 6 a.m. and the street gets very busy until 8 a.m. Now it's already 8 a.m. and the market is almost closing, so it's not so crowded now. So most local people come here early in the morning to buy fresh breakfast and lunch takeaways for work. Now let's go see what I can buy for today's cooking. Good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Very good. Sawadee-ka. How much? He never talks, yeah? He's a silent killer.
They can speak Chinese.
You can speak Chinese?
Yeah.
I can only eat Chinese.
เท่าไหร่40ภาษาจีนว่าไง
See some.
40
40. Kapun cup. Have a nice day. Yup.
Okay, all right.
Papaya salad.
ข้าวเปียก
Som Tam.
ส้มต้องข้าวเปียกพวกได้หมดมะนาว
100.
70 บาท
Sawadee-ka.
ลงมาก่อน
ใจร้ายน่าดูเลยคนเนี้ย
ไม่ได้แล้วช่วงนี้ต้องใจร้ายและเศรษฐกิจไม่ดี นี่จ้ะเอาอะไรเพิ่มไหม
No. How much? 90 baht.
ขอบคุณนะคะ
ครับผมขอบ
มา
คุณ
แล้ว
ค
จ้า
รับ
Kapun cup.
thank you
You're welcome. $20 baht. Can I have two, please?
เอาอะไรชัวร์เหรอ
Yes.
โอเคครับ
1, 2.
ขอบคุณครับ
Kapun cup. What is that? Fried prawns. Okay, now let's go to my fish guy. This guy brings fresh fish every morning. I come here, check every day. Oh, I see kingfish today. I normally don't see kingfish here. It's not so common. I hope this is kingfish. This fish. How much? How much is a kilo? One kilo 400. Can you give me 1 kilo? Okay, today's dinner I'm gonna be cooking these kingfish Indian style with potatoes and tzatziki along with Som Tam, the Thai papaya salad. A mix of Indian, German, Greek and Thai. If you want to know how I cook this, you can check out my cooking channel. I'll be posting there soon. Please check the link in the description. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Kapung Kap.